Welcome to our room tour of cabin 7279 on Voyager of the Seas Promenade Interior. We just got off the elevator here at deck 7. We're going to go ahead and make our way down the hallway. Okay, we made it to our cabin 7279. So this is our Promenade Interior stateroom. We'll go ahead and start here on the left, right when you come in. The closet to your left. The safe is right there on the shelf, and you have a little bit of space above and below for travel cubes, shoes, anything you need to store there. There's a little bit of storage on the floor as well, and there is some above the closet for other smaller items. And to your right is going to be the bathroom. It's a standard size bathroom with the shower doors. Clothing line is right up there. There is no footstool, unfortunately. And the sink is here with a little bit of storage underneath. And behind this mirror here, a few shelves. There's an outlet at the top for electric razors. You won't be able to use a hair dryer in here though. And then right over here from across the bed is the TV. There's a little bit of drawer storage right underneath, as well as a few shelves above. And we have used a magnetic clothing line to hang some of our wet swimsuits, things of that nature. I will say this room is just slightly larger than a regular interior room at 160 square feet. So it does feel a little bit cramped in here because of the bed placement. It's a little bit tight to get around the bed here, but it is slightly larger than an interior. So we have a Royal King bed here. We had the twins pushed together, but you can certainly separate them. You can ask your stateroom attendant to do that if you wish. And each side comes with a nightstand there. There is no outlet on that side, but we've used very long lightning cables and extension cords to get us through that way. And then on the other side, there's the telephone. And here's another extension cord that we've used that plugs into the vanity across the way here. So here's two American plugs, 120 volts. And there is also a European outlet that we've brought our US adapter for that we've used. The cooler is located right under here. It's just a little bit colder than the room, so it's a fridge by no means, but it's pretty spacious. We've able to hoard some waters in there. There's a desk drawer right there too, a small one there. And there's also a little bit of storage just behind these mirrors, some shallow storage here. And now for the view, like I said, this is a Promenade interior stateroom, so we do overlook the promenade on deck 5. We're on deck 7. So we have a pretty good view here of the Pig and Whistle pub. We're in port right now, so it's not very busy at all. But usually this is a very bustling promenade. However, the noise does not bother us. We really only hear activity when they're doing dance parties and some other kind of activities that happen in the evenings, but it never bothers us early in the morning or late at night. We don't hear anything. And you can just see the platform over there where the dancers will perform occasionally. And then to the left side, there's a few more shops. Solera Beauty. And the casino is right below us as well. So right there above the Pig and Whistle, that's deck 6. And then there's deck 7 and deck 8 right up there. So you have a really nice window seat here. This couch does not pull out, and this couch over here does not pull out. So this room really only is suitable for 2 people. Okay, well, that pretty much does it for stateroom number 7279, Promenade Interior on Voyager of the Seas.